So last week we took two trades, which was here, the 15th and the 16th, looking for the reversal to play the overall higher time frame daily trend, which is bullish. So we've gone through them two trades already. So there was another POI here and it did have an entry, but it was through Asia session, so I did not get an entry. There was possible entries to get in, but because it's Friday and I already took two losses, I thought I'll leave it on that one, just because GER40 can gap over the weekend, and you don't want it to gap past where you entered. I don't mind entering on a Friday if it's early in the day, like in the morning, like between London session. But yeah, price is starting to come down to here now, so I will consider entering if this Asia session low goes. So if we get a sweep of this low and then an entry off this POI, then I will be entering off there. But if this POI gets swept, then I'll be looking for shorts into the next reversal POI. So this is a POI here, potentially, and there's a POI here, potentially, because we have all this liquidity here, and we have all this liquidity here for this one. So, but if this holds, I'm not going to be looking for shorts here. These are only valid if we sweep this POI, if this POI breaks. And then the next, my target POI would be here. This is where I'll be looking, because this is the last POI reversal POI for the overall daily trend. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. We'll quickly just put a little note for this one. So 20th July 2026, reversal POI still active if Asia session low gets swept with entry. Reverse POI still active if Asia session low gets swept with entry. Happy to enter. And if it fails, this confirms PB still in play. Shorts from supply into reversal POI. So I always just put a note on there for each day. If we don't get a trade, then I'll get rid of it. I only keep notes up for days that I trade. There we go. It's always good to just have something on your notes so you know exactly what you're looking for. So yeah, that's everything on GER40 this morning.